Mike, boss. Good morning, Mia. Can we have a quick word about the new joiners? Mia, HR. Good morning, Mike. Of course. What would you like to discuss? Mike, I'd like to ensure that the onboarding process goes smoothly this time. Have we finalized the welcome kit? Mia, yes, the kits are ready. They include ID cards, laptops, and HR documents. Mike, perfect. And what about the orientation schedule? Mia, we've scheduled it for 10 a.m. on Monday. The training sessions will begin right after. Mike, that sounds good. Have you assigned mentors to each new employee? Mia, yes, I've paired them with team leads for better guidance. Mike, great work, Mia. Please make sure they feel welcome and comfortable on their first day. Mia, absolutely. I'll personally greet them and help them settle in. Mike, thanks, Mia. Let me know if you need anything from my side. Mia, will do, Mike. Thank you. Have a nice day.